Oliver and the fireworks. It was a crisp autumn morning on Sodor. Oliver and Toad were bringing ballast to the shunting yards. As they passed an open field, something caught Toad's eye.
Oh, look, Mr. Oliver. That pile of wood has got even bigger.
Oh, you're right, Toad. And there's even an old chair there too. I wonder what it's for.
Morning, Oliver. Hello, Toad.
Morning, Mr. Thomas.
Hey Thomas, do you know what that pile of wood is out for on the branch line?
Don't you know what today is?
Saturday?
No, silly. It's November 5th.
Oh, yes, of course. I still don't know what that means.
It's Bonfire Night. There's going to be a big bonfire and fireworks. That's what I've got on my flatbed. I'm taking them to the field now.
Fireworks?
Are you okay, Oliver?
Yeah, just not a fan of fireworks.
Why not? Fireworks are so pretty. And the big bangs and booms. Trust me, Oliver, they'll bring a sparkle to your eyes.
But please stop, Thomas. I just don't like them.
Goodbye, Mr. Thomas.
See you two later, I suppose.
That afternoon, Oliver and Toad had to collect some vans of food to take to the bonfire. As Oliver shunted him onto the back of his train, Toad spoke kindly to him.
Mr. Oliver, are you okay?
Yes, Toad, I'm fine.
Are you sure? You were acting very strange with Mr. Thomas when he mentioned fire.
I said I'm fine, Toad. Oh, sorry, Toad.
If something is bothering you, Mr. Oliver, you can tell me.
Fireworks just remind me of when we were left in the scrapyard. Bright flashes, loud bangs, and those sparklers.
No, there's no need to worry, Mr. Oliver. Fireworks aren't scary.
Says you. The sparklers, they just look like the cutting torches at the scrapyard. I just don't like them.
That evening, a heavy fog swept across the island, making it hard for the engines to see and do their jobs.
Whoa! Oh no! Oh dear. Oh, I hope my packages are okay.
Oliver and Toad made their way cautiously along the line, but Toad was worried.
Are you sure we're going the right way, Mr. Oliver?
Yes, I'm sure. I've worked in this line for years. I could find my way with my eyes closed. Whoa, what was that?
I think it was a fog detonator. There must be a signal ahead.
Toad was right. Oliver pulled slowly up to the red signal. The signal man was already waiting for him.
There you are, Oliver. You're late. We're waiting for you at the bonfire.
I know. It's just so hard to see in this fog. I'm not even sure if I'm going the right way and... What was that?
I think it's the fireworks.
Fireworks? I thought you said they were fog detonators.
Not on the tracks. Up there in the sky. We must be close.
But I... Wow.
Come on, Mr. Oliver. We can use them to find our way.
Your line's clear.
Right. Let's go. Look, Toad, we made it.
Hey everyone, the food's here.
Hey Oliver, look at my cool sparkler.
Yeah, but very nice. You know, that looks less like a cutting torch and more like a magic wand.
Oliver, you made it! And you look happy. I thought you didn't like fireworks.
I didn't. But you were right, Thomas. They do bring a sparkle to your eye.
Sorry, I had a very distressing call. Lola's left me. Oh God, the phone's ringing again. That'll be the lawyers. She said she's gone to the shops, and she left me. But she said she'll be back in 5 minutes, so that's good. Well, I'll just wait for that phone to stop ringing. I should get my guard to uninstall that phone in my cabin. I don't know why you put it there. Not connected to the phone lines or anything.